How to fix this admin is pretending removal on Facebook page. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open Facebook app on your phone. Then tap on menu that is on the bottom right corner. Tap on settings that is on the top right corner. Here you need to scroll down and search for pages. Then go ahead and tap on it. Now tap on view. Then here tap on reactive. As you do that, you will be able to enter to the page that you have created. Here again tap on menu. Then you want to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Now here tap on page settings. Scroll down a little bit and then you want to tap on page access. So in this screen below, people with Facebook access are the people who are admin. So if you are trying to remove some admin here and you're not be able to do that, first you have to make sure that you have more than one admin and also that they have given you the access to remove them. So that is how to fix this admin is pending removal on Facebook page. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.